Cell division is one of the most important biological processes. Every living organism depends on cell division for growth, development, repair of damaged tissues, and reproduction. The human body starts from a single fertilized cell called a zygote. Through repeated cell divisions, this single cell develops into trillions of cells forming different tissues and organs. There are two major types of cell division. 1. Mitosis, produces identical body cells for growth and repair. 2. Meiosis, produces reproductive cells, sperm and ova, for sexual reproduction. Furthermore, all living organisms depend on cell division. Growth from infancy to adulthood occurs through cell division. Damaged tissues heal because cells divide and replace old cells. Reproduction in many organisms also involves cell division. What is cell division? Cell division is the process in which one parent cell divides to form new daughter cells. Before division, the parent cell duplicates its DNA so that genetic information can be passed accurately to the daughter cells. Functions of cell division. 1. Growth. Children grow into adults because cells continuously divide. 2. Repair. When tissues are injured, new cells replace damaged ones. 3. Replacement. Old cells such as skin and blood cells are regularly replaced. 4. Reproduction. Single-celled organisms reproduce by cell division. Key terms to be note. Parent cell, original cell before division. Daughter cells, new cells formed after division. Mitosis, definition. Mitosis is a type of cell division that produces two genetically identical daughter cells. The chromosome number remains unchanged. Human example. Parent cell equals 46 chromosomes. Daughter cell 1 is equal to 46 chromosomes. Daughter cell 2 is equal to 46 chromosomes. Where does mitosis occur? Occurs in somatic, body, cells such as skin cells, muscle cells, blood cells, liver cells. Functions of mitosis. Growth. Increases the number of body cells. Tissue repair. Repairs injured tissues. Cell replacement. Replaces dead or damaged cells. Asexual reproduction. Used by many organisms such as amoeba. Clinical relevance. Cancer occurs when mitosis becomes uncontrolled. Meiosis, definition. Meiosis is a special type of cell division that produces reproductive cells called gametes. It reduces chromosome number by half. Human example. Parent cell equals 46 chromosomes. Produces. Sperm equals 23 chromosomes. Egg, ovum equals 23 chromosomes. Why reduction is necessary? During fertilization. 23, sperm, plus 23, egg, equals 46 chromosomes. This maintains the correct chromosome number in humans. Where does meiosis occur? Males. Testes. Females. Ovaries. Functions. Sexual reproduction. Produces sperm and eggs. Genetic variation. Creates unique offspring. Key differences between mitosis and meiosis. Feature mitosis-meiosis. Number of daughter cells 2-4. Genetic makeup identical different. Chromosome number same, 2n, half, 1n. Number of divisions 1-2. Crossing over no yes. Occurs in body cells reproductive cells. Function growth and repair reproduction. Important concept. Diploid, 2n. Contains two sets of chromosomes. Human body cells equals 46 chromosomes. Haploid, 1n. Contains one set of chromosomes. Human sperm and egg cells equals 23 chromosomes. Stages of mitosis. Mitosis consists of 4 major stages followed by cytokinesis. 1. Prophase. Events. Chromatin condenses into chromosomes. Nuclear membrane disappears. Centrioles move to opposite poles. Spindle fibers form. Significance. Prepares chromosomes for separation. 2. Metaphase. Events. Chromosomes line up at the cell equator. Spindle fibers attach to centromeres. Significance. Ensures equal chromosome distribution. 3. Anaphase. Events. Sister chromatids separate. Chromatids move to opposite poles. Significance. Each future daughter cell receives identical DNA. 4. Telophase. Events. Chromosomes reach poles. Nuclear membrane reforms. Chromosomes become less condensed. Cytokinesis. Events. Cytoplasm divides. 2 separate daughter cells form. Final result. 2 genetically identical diploid cells. Stages of meiosis. Meiosis occurs in 2 divisions. Meiosis I, reduction division. Reduces chromosome number from 46 to 23. Prophase I. Most important stage. Crossing over. Exchange of genetic material between homologous chromosomes. Significance. Produces genetic variation. Metaphase I. Homologous chromosome pairs line up in the center. Anaphase I. Homologous chromosomes separate. Sister chromatids remain attached. Telophase I. 2 haploid cells form. Meiosis II. Similar to mitosis. Prophase II. New spindle fibers form. Metaphase II. Chromosomes line up in the center. Anaphase II. Sister chromatids separate. Telophase II. 4 haploid daughter cells form. Final result. 4 genetically different cells with 23 chromosomes each. Importance and memory trick. Importance of mitosis. Growth. Body increases in size. Repair. Wounds heal. Replacement. Dead cells are replaced. Regeneration. Some organisms regenerate body parts. Importance of meiosis. Gamete formation. Produces sperm and eggs. Maintains chromosome number. Prevents chromosome doubling every generation. Genetic diversity. Creates variation in offspring. Evolution. Provides raw material for natural selection. Memory trick. Mitosis. M equals maintenance. Maintains body growth and repair. Meiosis. S equals sex cells plus shuffle of genes. Produces gametes and genetic variation. Quick revision. Q1. If a human cell contains 46 chromosomes, how many chromosomes will each daughter cell produced by mitosis contain? Answer: 46 chromosomes. Reason: mitosis maintains chromosome number. Q2. Which type of cell division produces sperm and egg cells? Answer: meiosis. Reason: meiosis produces gametes for sexual reproduction. Q3. What is the exchange of genetic material during prophase I called? Answer: crossing over. Reason: homologous chromosomes exchange DNA segments, creating genetic variation. Diva questions, extra for presentation. 1. Define mitosis. 2. Define meiosis. 3. Why is meiosis called reduction division? 4. What is crossing over? 5. Where does mitosis occur? 6. Where does meiosis occur? 7. What is the chromosome number in human somatic cells? 8. What is the chromosome number in sperm cells? 9. Why is genetic variation important? 10. What happens if meiosis does not reduce chromosome number?